Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you see kapag subscribe sa baru na ka video. Nama bang leo comments banga kena start siapa plot dengan kam kena suki. Ndray ngangit film ko taruh dan banga di brio bakal start kan don hi kena start hang di hang teh. Ndray jadi ada bakal suki kat bangala. Dia ndray kena bunia semua kata kai kapag bunia berasi kali ba. Yang kena video berasi ni ianga mangali concert jong Sheeran tang fin yu Henry fin yo sngoru jing roi kiba la perform do Sheeran minen kasngi ni marba kan video mutang shoot betam step hadim bar one concert men jong Sheeran kami wa shoot men namar balai ka we kadi marba ka blog tingin haban poi close te sa we jurong bhaw lain tingin haban yang lain ni han ka daw ka ba ka long ba han news ki om sha pan ratam la ka phone ka polet yang kalau meraih power bank nomor bang salia yo hi kyo kim sha berung sebo yo don jing thot yang tete salia tiang tadang kamera power bank ye tiang la social media phone ngala shu yele ban save battery kat balak nang bangan yo ban shoot hado ban ikut ka concert dia dengan ngej film so ye kata teh ndai shwa ka bang setang no yang ni video sekama follow yang Facebook ka link ke description hang tu hang shu post video link kot kum ki reels dan ki TikTok dan ki lagi ba fit tip shwa ti hang tu kita ki video kidan say follow and say pay video Menunggu ni asyik, instan abis no, direct ke video.
The next day.
Like kat nomor tu, phone, dah na. Aja nak like baca sahaja macam. Okay, ni dah slap. Kan ni ya? Nanti dulu pun. Link baca tu depo shibet nomor berapa? Kan sa 2 bateri keluar membawa baik dengan siapa rak? Sampai. Habis save bateri phone. Let's go dah lagi. Quay game dah. Gila boy ini ya Jakarta concert ini ke stage kalau kamu dulu ke stage
You guys look beautiful this evening.
After that performance, ada performance ting saya apa pun Sheeran menyoi. Nalala isa ni.
A few moments later.
never seen my show before, everything you hear tonight is completely live. This is called a loop pedal. There is no backing track whatsoever. It's made live on the spot, looped on the spot. All the layers are done on the spot. And at the end it's deleted, and it won't be the same at the next gig. The way that it works, you press record like this, and when you press play, it plays back. You can add layers on top of it. Add a layer. Hey! Hey! I'm gonna do a lot of that. I want it all. I want to play you a song that I wrote when I was 18 years old. When I was 18 years old, I was playing open mic night gigs in London where you'd sort of turn up, you play 4 songs in a pub. Maybe you'd have 1 person watching you, maybe you'd have 5 people watching you, maybe you'd have 10 people watching you. But the people who were watching you did not want to hear music. They wanted to catch up with their friends and have a pint. So by you playing guitar, that was annoying. But every time I would go, I would bring new songs, I would try and win them over. And when I wrote this song, I really thought that this was the song that would change everything. And I went in that night and I played it, and no one cared. And I came in the next day, I played it again, and no one cared. I came in the next day and no one cared, and so on and so on and so on. But eventually, after a while, a small group of people started to care. And then that group got bigger and bigger and bigger until this song became a sort of minor hit within the United Kingdom. And then I signed a record deal and it became a major hit within the United Kingdom. And then it took me around the world. It basically like opened up every single door for me. And I've got to be honest, when it happened, I was like 19 years old, and I thought that this would be a one-hit wonder, and I would basically travel the world for free for 18 months, and then that would be it. And I was happy with that, because I really enjoyed traveling the world. And still, 15 years on, being able to come to places that I've never been before and play this song blows my mind. So I'm going to play this song. And I want to say that I remember, if I can close my eyes, I remember playing it to nobody. And when I open my eyes, I get to see 30,000 people here in Shillong tonight. If you know the words, sing it out. If you don't, make them up. White lips, pale face, since 18 been playing. Sing it as loud as you can, for as long as you can. Put the harmony, say yeah! Yeah! It's so much louder than you guys. Try that one more time. Say yeah! Yeah! Say yeah! Yeah! Repeat after me, don't stop singing. Sing whoa. That we visited in India, and you are by far the loudest, by far. Thank you. And the thing is, we're just warming up. I need you louder than that. We're just gonna warm up your vocals. By the end of the gig, my goal tonight is that when people ask you tomorrow, hey, how was the show? You go, yeah, it was great. That's my goal. Now we're going to warm up your vocals again. We're going to warm them up. Repeat after me. Because if you don't know the words to this next song, you're at the wrong concert. When your legs are just wait, maybe it's a part of a plan. You singing this part here, hey yeah, but like loud. Hey yeah, yeah. A little bit louder than that. You need to be louder than my vocal. Come on. Baby, you look happier, you do. Think it should be something that I wanna hold back. Baby, you should know that my job is to see what's going on, and now I know. And I never lied to admit that I was wrong. going on, and now I know it's on to something you should go and love yourself. Sing the trumpet solo. Go and love yourself. And the original lyrics. If you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should just fuck yourself. Times are frozen still. Ripped jeans holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving that man is so great that I know love. So, and if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words me inside is painted to just hold me. I'm away. I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street. Hearing you whisper through the phone. Sing it now. Wait for me to come home. How loud you can sing. I found a love. Follow my lead, not knowing what it was. Well, I found. Long, will you put the lights on your phone again? I wanna see perfect, I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Thank you so much. I love the energy of this city. We drove around it yesterday. I played football today with some kids, and I just love how this city is and how this city feels. I really feel welcomed here. Thank you so much for being so kind. I also know it's a Wednesday night. You guys could be doing anything on a Wednesday night. You've made a load of efforts coming. I know people have travelled miles to be here today, so thank you so much for making so much effort. You, the avenue. The rest of the 6 inches of white, the radio is playing. Good night, Shillong. Thank you so much. This final song, I want to see the whole stadium jumping up and down on the chorus. So when the chorus kicks in, you jump until then, put your hands in the air. I've got nothing left to lose or use or do my bad habits. To the eyes staring at the lines and then no conversations with a stranger. I barely know. Split this will be the last, but probably nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits.
Jump the unit, jump.